Hi guys, welcome to Aussie dollar trade on 15 minutes time frame. We have S1 signal dot and all we need to do is throw a simple trend line. Our powerful algo will take care of everything else. Stop loss is set up over here and we have take profits 1 and 2 here. Now it's time to wait for entry to get triggered. Okay, we are now in the long trade. Everything is there and I will just speed up this video so we don't wait. As you can see, we have reached take profit 1 and we are close to final targets. We have finally finished this trade. Both of our target has been reached successfully and we are taking home over $2,000 from just this one trade. Hi traders, I'm watching pound dollar right now. We have a bullish S3 signal. Everything is confirmed, so all I need to do would be to press quick long button and our algo will take care of everything else. We now just need to wait for price to trigger our entry point and that's all. Okay, we are in a long trade now. Let's see how this cable work out for us today. Really strong movement guys in the pound dollar, definitely working in our favor. Take profit 1 has been reached and we are really close to get filled for the take profit 2. Okay, I'm back. The pound dollar trade is over. We are in profit for more than 1,500 US dollars, so not bad for a few hours of work. I'm watching your USD on the 15-minute time frame. Our bullish S2 signal just appeared. I'm just going to press quick long button and that's all I need to do. Our algos will take care of everything else. We're now fully into trade. We have both targets set up here and stop is set up according to the system rules. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, I'm back. We have reached target 1. We are looking really good to reach final target fast. Let's see. We're done with this trade. Let me bring the terminal window so we can check profits together. Euro dollar made us a nice $1,130. I'll see you all in the next video. Hi traders, we are watching Aussie dollar again. We have a good looking S2 bullish signal dot with confirmation from other indicators. So we are just going to press quick long button and trade will be set up for us. I'll return once we get filled. We have stop loss set up here and targets 1 and 2 here. Now it's time to relax and watch the market work. Okay, we reached target 1. We have booked half of our trade and wait for next target to work in our favor. As you can see, our stop was automatically moved to break even, so technically speaking it's a risk-free trade. Let's see how this is going to work for us at the end. Finally, this trade took some time to reach final targets, but we are ending a trade with over $1,100 in profit, so at the end it was worth waiting. Hi traders, welcome to another trade. We are looking at the euro dollar right now and we just got our S2 signal dot and also all other indicators are confirming this short signal. All I need to do is to select S2 and press quick short trade on our dashboard. Everything will be set up automatically for me. Okay, I'm back. We are in a short trade. We have our stop over here and take profit 1 and 2 here. Let's see how this trade will work for me. Our first take profit is reached. So we already booked a little bit of profit. Let's see, can we reach final target soon? Okay traders, I'm back. We are done with this trade. Our trade made us around 900 US dollar profit in just few hours. Not bad morning after all. Hi traders, I'm watching the S2 bullish signal formation on 15-minute chart of dollar yen. All additional indicators are confirming the setup, so we can proceed with clicking the quick long button to place our entry. Okay, we are in the trade. Market momentum is great, so expecting a quick play here. I'll return when we have more data. I'm back. We have reached our take profit 1. Our algo booked 50% of our trade and moved the stop to break even. Let's see how this trade will end. We're done with this setup. Unfortunately, we never got to our final target. But second half is closed in profit also. I can't complain since we are still taking home almost $800 US.